And we welcome our next brand, Aldo Martins. Here we have Martí Bisbal. He is the general manager or CEO
Yes.
of the brand.
Mhm.
Martí, I have some keywords in here that I want to start this interview with. Is passion for neat design and
Yes.
jacquards. I
Yes.
think this is key.
Yes.
Those are key elements of your brands.
Yes.
But I want you to tell us all about the story of the brand.
The brand, well, it has already now, this year, 45 years ago when it started. No? It started in 1976 when my father founded it. He was a passion on knitwear. He wanted to create something unique. And to create that something unique in a knitwear collection, he knew that he had to build his own factory, his own workshop. No? And then he built it up slowly and step by step. The brand keep growing and growing up to the 19s and the 2000s that the second generation arrived to the factory. That's us. I mean, my sister, who is now the designer, which is Nuria. Then we have Edward into the production and me as a general manager. And the thing is that from that small workshop that we had in a little town near Igualada, we moved to the big factory that we have now, a company, where we produce everything. And we have been loyal to the beginning of the brand. You know, we have a vertical structure.
Yes.
That we produce from the yarn. No, we buy the yarn, but we're starting from the yarn. Knitting machines, having like 30 flat machines, sewing and shipping to the customers. And that's a little bit the history. But the important thing, keep loyal and keep producing everything in Spain.
Wow, that's
Yes.
very important in history because maintaining that is what has give you this whole time, like a big performance into the market. It's like
the thing is
main
that
characteristics.
later you can ask me about the product and how is the brand, whatever. You will see the brand. People can look at the images and everything. But Aldo Martins is a boho chic style with a lot of texture, a lot of color, a lot of mixing yarns and different things that we knew that this was not possible to produce in foreign countries. So. And this a long time was seen as, well, you have to go and
Yes,
and
you
produce
need to have
outside.
it close so you
Yes.
can control it.
Yes.
You can love a little bit more the
Yes,
product.
yes, and nowadays is something that people. This is a value, you know.
Yeah, I think so,
People
yes,
talks
yes.
about sustainability, wherever, blah blah blah. But the thing is, we are. I mean, we know exactly where every piece has been made.
Yes.
But apart from all this, is but because we want to ensure a good quality product, we want to ensure that our collection keeps having our own handwriting and
Yes.
and that you see those pieces and say, oh, that's an Aldo Martins, and this is a little bit what we want to keep.
Well, that's really interesting. You have recovered all the DNA of the brand and taken it, updated. But I want to know right now then the collection today, the annual collection. What can we find into this collection?
We produce every season two collections: spring, summer, and fall, winter. Our main brand is Aldo Martins. As I said, Aldo Martins focus on color, chic, high-level quality, mainly in knitwear. Okay. Then what you can find in the collection, especially in winter, is long coats with a lot of jacquards, a lot of textures, jackets, blazer, mainly knitwear. And in spring, summer, we also created a sub-capsule inside this main brand called Capjuluca by Aldo Martins, that we focus more on wovens and fine knits, very light and things like that, that enables us to have the same turnover or the same amount during fall, winter, and spring, summer. So we keep selling always the same, no? And
Yes, you can vary it. Also, the collections. You put some interesting pieces, but also like those elements help you to be ongoing the whole
Totally
year.
agree. And apart from that brand, which is Aldo Martins, we have another brand that people can look at the website or that it is called AMS Pure, which is Aldo Martins Pure. And it's complementary to Aldo Martins. It's a separate brand. It has its own distributor channel, whatever, and it's more an urban style, whatever. It's hard to say. People have to look at but we have this different labels in the brand that we can complement all
the looks and,
all the
and
looks.
well, give another proposition to
And
the
yes,
market.
yeah, and
That's
also we
good.
have different distributors, and it
Yes.
sometimes can be the same agency, the same shop, but can also be other ones. Okay.
Talking about the way you sell or the sale channels, what would you say are your main sale channels right now?
We always have been, again, loyal to the beginning. We are very focused on multi-brand store channel. We sell all over the world. We export about 75% of our production to France, to Italy. We can talk about later about this, but I mean mainly multi-brand chains. Sometimes some department stores, but mainly multi-brand chains. That's where we go. We go through agencies. We sell. We in fact we produce around 28 collections per year. So we have the collection in 27, 28 different showrooms around the world. And well, this is a little bit.
A little. You
Yes.
said
No, little no.
expansion.
No,
It's amazing. It's
it's-
amazing the whole things you do into the collection, like with your sale channels. Also,
Yes.
believing on the center and the pillars that had been founded,
Yes.
the brand. And regarding this, I want to know which markets do you want to expand?
Yes.
Which markets do you want to step in from now?
Now we are, as I said, we are in France, we are in Italy, we are in the Netherlands. We sell a lot in the United States, a little bit around Europe, but we would like to grow in Germany, North Germany. We would like to have somebody now in the UK, which has been a market that has been difficult last seasons. And well, this is for Aldo Martins also. Also, everything is welcome, and we can always study the possibility. And then for the other brand, AMS Pure, which was new, this brand just 5 years ago, we have more possibilities to expand it. I mean, someone who could be interested, get in contact with us, and we will evaluate every case, and this can be.
It's great because this place is the perfect place.
Sure.
Precisely to connect
Yeah.
with this new opportunity, business opportunities for
Yeah,
you all,
yes.
for all the brands that are passing through this stage.
No,
so
and the thing is that we have the capacity to export a lot.
Yeah,
because
that's very
I told you
important.
the focus of the brand is this: export, export, export. And to have this vertical structure in the company that we produce everything. We also have a customer service that we speak all language: German, Italy, Spanish.
So you
we can
guarantee
give
you guarantee the export and also the quality into your garments
of
and
the
the service.
Yes, yes.
Well, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Martí, for being
Thank
here
you.
with us.
Thank you.
And to support 080 Barcelona
Sure.
Fashion Connect. Hope we can you can have like close some deals
Sure.
here with us. So thank you so much,
you very
and
much.
we see which one would it be our next brand soon.